Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. It's Saturday, so it's quick project day, and what have I got for you today? Well, I've got this. Now, a lot of you have probably seen these already. Maybe not in the junk journal world, but maybe on a Netflix TV series called Squid Game. Yeah. Warning, if you have a slightly squeamish or sensitive disposition, do not watch Squid Game. Yeah, enough said. These are actually they used to play a Korean game, and I'm not going to embarrass myself by trying to even say that, pronounce it, because I can't. So enough said. Anyway, I did watch that TV series, and when I saw this I thought, ooh, that'd be fabulous in a junk journal. So I've looked into how to make it, and I found a way that I have made a few little tweaks to it to make it more junk journal friendly, and you can see what happens. It will open up. That's just going to be fabulous for journaling, isn't it? Now at this point it's two separate pieces, yeah? I'm going to show you different ways that you can put it together. Yeah, right, when you're folding it up, do them in order, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Then it will fit, yeah? So then you tuck that in, and you've got your little, it's a self-locking letter, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so there it is. Let me show you how to make it. Then I'll show you how I would use it in a journal. So I've got a sheet of A4 scrapbook paper. Any size will do. As long as it is a rectangle, it will work, yeah? The first thing you want to do is cut it in half. So let's get the big chompy chopper out and chop this in half. So A4 is 8 1/4 inches wide, so I'm going to cut this down to 4 1/8. If you're confident in folding it in half and ripping it, do that. I'm not, so I'm not going to do it. Right, move my spare sheets out of the way. Right, next, turn them pattern side down and make a cross. No measuring, don't worry if they're not lined up perfectly. I'm going to put that one on top because it's easy for me to fold. Yeah, so I'm going to fold this side over the centre. Yeah, now I'm just going to move that centre out of the way just so I can make sure I get these two edges lined up. There you go. Then I'm going to put that back in, and I'm going to fold this one over. You've got the edge this time to butt up against, and you've got this piece here to line it up with that way, so it's folded nice and square. Yeah, then we need to fold these two in, so just eyeball it. If you want to measure it and get it exact, do so. You don't need to, this way I'm showing you. So you fold that one over and then fold that one over. Yeah, I mean, that would already make a nice little, if you put a Velcro dot on, that would already make a nice little flip out, wouldn't it? Yeah. Right, next thing, open all these 4 back up, and we need to do some more folding. So I want to fold like so. Start just away from the crease. By doing it just away from the crease, this is going to mean that when you want to open it up to journal on, you're not going to mess this edge up. And fold it. Can you see how I'm folding it? I'm not folding it in a straight line, I'm folding it slightly out, so that is wider there than there. Again, that's going to make sure things don't get messed up when we're folding it and unfolding it a lot. Next, we've done that one, then turn around and do the same with all 4. Yeah, this way I don't forget which way to do the folding. All 4 are folded exactly the same way, and I just keep spinning it. I'm just gonna, if you find it hard to see your creases, get your bone folder on, that's better. I can see mine now. Just so, like so. It's starting to look like a bit of a strange pinwheel effect, isn't it? And then the last one. Yeah. There we go. And then fold them all in one at a time. Doesn't matter which one you start with, any will do. Actually, I'm saying that you need to fold one in that goes over that piece. So it doesn't matter whether you start top or bottom. That one, then that one, then that one, then that one. And that last one should tuck under there. Can you see? That just tucks in. And there we've got the square little locking letter, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm going to bring my planner out to show you how I'd use this in a junk journal, because that was so quick, wasn't it? Right, I've got my planner because I don't have a junk journal on go at the minute. Right, so I would put it there. I could put it there, yeah. So it could be a pocket. You wouldn't obviously have these in your way, would you? You could have a pocket there. And if we turn it over, can you see how we've made this from 2 pieces of paper? You could also have a pocket on the side. So one on the side and one at the top. You'll then also have all this journaling space when you flip it out. What you will need to do, however, is come in and pop a line of glue along the top there and along the bottom there. Yeah, just to seal your back pocket and to make sure this piece is not going to move within that piece. If you don't want to glue it, you can get even more real estate for journaling. You can have a secret journaling spot there. So whether or not you glue it is entirely your choice. So let's fold it back up. Show you how it locks in again. So there we have it. So, folding pocket letter as seen in Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're going to find it useful in your journals. Yeah? If you have seen it before, there's no need to comment and let me know you've seen it before. This is for people who may not have seen it before. Yeah? So, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.